In front of me is ASUS Zenfone Zoom, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by launching clock and tapping on this alarm icon at the top. Now before creating a new one, use this gear at the top right corner. Adjust all of those options and go back. To create new alarm, click on this button at the bottom right corner over here and set up an hour. To save it, hit OK. Now you need to click on your new alarm clock and adjust it however you want to. At the top, you can click on time to change your previously selected hour. Then tap on this switcher next to repeat and click on the best option for you. Every day, weekdays, weekends or weekly. If you wish to select weekly, click on it and tap on days of the week that you wish to add. Then tap on the back button, select ringtone, and to pick music from your device, click on external ringtone over here. Tap on the one that you wish to apply and choose OK at the top right corner. To pick one of your local melodies, click on the best one and choose OK as well. Now you can click on those two icons next to turn alarm on and vibrate to switch them off or on, and click on label. Lastly, label your alarm however you want to, if you want to, and hit OK. Finally, go back. As you can see, after that my alarm was successfully created and adjusted. To make some changes, click on it and change wherever you want to. Then go back. To switch it off completely, use blue switcher next to it. To turn it back on, tap on the same now gray one. Finally, to delete your alarm, click on this pin at the top right corner. Tap on the one that you wish to delete and choose OK. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!